Good morning, students. Some more question I am going to solve today on the board. Great. By using the same rules, we have to solve the questions. The first question today, minus 3 by 2, their power minus 3, their power 2. We have to evaluate what will be its value. Right? See, then come to the third law of exponential. X to the power A to the power B to the power C, whatever the power, all the power will multiply together. This is the third law of exponent. Here also, minus 3 by 2 power is minus 3 and their power is 2. So these two power will multiply. Minus 3 by 2 minus 3 into 2. That is equal to minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 into 2 means minus 6. Is it? By minus 6 here. Minus 6. So after multiplying the power by using the third rules of law of exponent, we have minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 6. Now here the power is negative. So how to change, how to make the negative power into positive? By taking its reciprocal value. So what is the reciprocal of minus 3 by 2? Minus 2 by 3. So it becomes minus 2 by 3. So power becomes positive. Minus 6 becomes plus 6. Now what is final value? The final value will be Cn, even number of power. If this is minus sign and power is even, the final sign will be plus. If minus sign here and here power is negative, the power is odd, the final sign will be negative. Once again, if minus sign here and the power is even number, then the final sign will be positive. If minus sign here and power is odd, the final sign will be negative. So here in this question, the power is even, so final sign will be positive. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. When you multiply, this is 64 by 729. Now one question, why power negative odd than negative, why power even then it is positive? See here. Minus to the power 3. What? So minus to be written how many times? 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. So final sign minus and answer is. You follow? If even, then what will happen? Minus will be written 4 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. That's why the final sign is plus. And 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. This is the 16. Do you follow? That's why I asked if the power is even, the final sign will be positive. If power is odd, the final sign will be negative. See it. 1 by 4 to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 3. There divided by 1 by 6, their power minus 3. We have to evaluate. So see there, power is negative, power is negative, power is negative. In all the three. What we will do? First, we will make the power positive by taking the reciprocal value. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 4? It's 4. 4 power become 3. Minus 3 power become 3. Divided by 6 power become 3. Right? So this value 4 4 is 16 is 64. 3 is 9 27. In divided by 6 6 36 260. Right? Now 64 minus 27 37 by 260. Right? This is our value. Three to power 3x minus 1 divided by 9 is equal to 27. Right? Then we have to find the value of x. See here, it is given 3 to power 3x minus 1 divided by 9 is equal to 27. Then only one unknown, that is x. That value we have to find. What will be the value of x? What we will do? We will make both of them having the same base first. So we can write 3 to power 3x minus 1 by 9 is equal to 27. Now the base is here 3. We will make the same base of 9 and same base of 27. Means I will do 3. So what you will do? 3 to the power 3x minus 1 and 9 we can write 3 square because 3 square is 9. And this side 27 we can write 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 3 into 3 into 3 means 27. Right? So once again what you have to do? We have to make the same base. So here the base is 3. We will make the 9 the same base 3. 27 also the same base 3. Then we know the table of 3 square is equal to 9. So we can write 3 square. Now when we write 3 square, the base becomes 6. 27, 3 cube is 27, then the base is 6. Right? Now the same base and there is a division sign. What to do? When same base having division sign, then power will be subtracted. Both power. So subtract the power by using the third law of exponent. Right? So what is the third law of exponent? Here 3 to the power 3x minus 1 and this power minus 2 will be subtracted. 8 equal to 3 to the power 3. Right? By using this third rule of exponent, the base is same, power will be subtracted. 3x minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 3 to the power 3. It clear? Now, what sign given between them? The sign given equal. When equal sign is given, what do you mean? The meaning of this, the left hand side and right hand side have the same value. How it will sign? So 3x minus 1 and minus 2 become minus 3. And this is 3 to the power 3. Right? Since equal sign is given, base is same, or you can say if base is same, then power will be also equal if there is equal sign. Once again, if base is same, then power will be also equal if between them equal sign is given. If power is same, then the base will be same. So here equal sign given, so power will be also equal. 3x minus 3 is equal to 3. So 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3. That is 2. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 2. Do you follow, sir? So this type of question is there. Now do one thing. You have to complete this exercise. 2A exercise. Have you purchased a book or not? Immediately you purchase the book. Otherwise, today I am going to send you the 2 exercise photo on your WhatsApp. Right? As a homework, you have to complete 2A exercise. Thank you very much.